this video, I'm taking this 10-foot long steel pole and turning it into crossbars for the roof racks so we can throw a basket on top for this upcoming trip we're taking. Power tools. But remember, safety first. Hi, Mom. All mocked up. Now it's time to spray it down. Now we can run some Menards and
I think you missed some spots.
nope. They're like two-toned, you know, like Two-Face.
Did you even paint anything?
The box. Just a box.
Oh.
You know why? I forgot safety, so safety first.
I see.
Here it is, it's all done, ready for us to go on our camping trip. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Catch you next time. Don't forget, sticker bomb it.